Welcome to Thailand Immigration News. I'm Pear from Siam Legal, your go-to source for the latest updates on traveling to Thailand. Starting May 1st, 2025, Thailand will implement a new online TM6 immigration form, replacing the traditional paper-based system. This change will streamline entry procedures for all foreign arrivals entering the kingdom by air, land, or sea. Today, we'll explore everything you need to know about the online TM6 form, its implementation, and what it means for travelers. The TM6 form is a mandatory immigration document that foreign travelers must fill out upon entering Thailand. Traditionally, this form was completed on paper, but with the government's push toward digital transformation, the TM6 will now be available online starting May 1st, 2025. This digital TM6 form aims to simplify the immigration process for foreign arrivals and improve tracking of tourists during their stay in Thailand, enhancing safety and security measures in response to global concerns. The online TM6 will be free and compulsory for all foreign travelers arriving by air, land, or sea. The Ministry of Tourism and Sports has been actively preparing for the system launch, with the new online TM6 form replacing the paper-based system with the suspension of the traditional forms ends on April 30th, 2025. In preparation for this change, immigration authorities and stakeholders, including airlines, hotels, and tour agencies, have been briefed on the process to ensure a smooth transition. What's more, the Immigration Bureau already conducted a demonstration of the new system, with further meetings planned to educate stakeholders and publicize the new procedure to travelers. This digital transformation is expected to improve efficiency and build traveler confidence by addressing safety concerns. The TM6 form's digital update is part of a broader plan to modernize Thailand's immigration processes. However, other measures such as the proposed 300 baht tourism fee and electronic travel authorization may face delays to avoid overwhelming tourists. One of key reasons for prioritizing the online TM6 is that it ensures a smoother entry process for visitors without introducing additional fees or requirements. Another reason is that the government wants to focus on stabilizing the TM6 system before rolling out other initiatives. By prioritizing the digital TM6 form, the government aims to enhance traveler experiences and address security concerns before considering additional screening measures such as a tourism fee or electronic travel authorization systems. If you're planning a trip to Thailand starting May 1st, 2025, understanding the new TM6 process will be crucial. Siam Legal is here to guide you through the changes, ensuring you stay informed and prepared for your travels. Check the links in the description for more details or to schedule a consultation. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Siam Legal's channel for the latest updates on Thai immigration policies and legal news. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. สวัสดีค่ะ